Metabolic process secrets which help you burn fat. Metabolic process is really a procedure that turns food into energy, also it forces everything we all do. Even if we're sleeping, the body requires energy for such things as breathing and repairing cell damage. The amount of calories you have to perform such fundamental functions is known as your resting metabolism, RMR, also it can affect from your waistline for your degree of energy. This is a short guide how to maintain your metabolic process revved so that your body operates at the perfect speed. Chronic stress slows your burn. Studies suggest that whenever you're really stressed out, your metabolic process slows lower. It takes place because chronic stress stimulates producing betatrophin, a protein that inhibits an enzyme required to break lower fat. Also during stress we've greater amounts of insulin, which plays a role in fat cell function. Intermittent fasting might help. Studies have shown that alternate day fasting, by consuming without restriction eventually, after consume about 500 calories the following, can trigger weight reduction without slowing lower your metabolic process. Inside a study on the College of Illinois at Chicago, ladies who adopted this plan of action for 8 days lost typically 13 pounds. But nonetheless further research is required to determine the lengthy term results of this tactic. If you wish to do this, get it done within Doctor's soup ray. Dieting can decrease your metabolic process. If you cut calories, your metabolic process slows lower, by greater than you'd expect. Based on studies, formerly obese those have a 3 to 5% lower RMR than people who didn't have to shed weight. The good thing is this slowdown isn't inevitable. Physical exercise can combat the result. Along with a gradual weight loss strategy might help keep the metabolic process work fast. Reduce calorie intake by a maximum of 500 calories each day, and then try to burn comparable number during exercise. Single 000 calorie daily deficit will help you lose a couple of pounds per week.